Some rocks tell a story of violent events. Breccia is one such rock, formed from broken fragments of stone. The journey begins when mountains, cliffs, or volcanoes break apart powerful natural forces. Unlike river pebbles, these fragments travel only short distances and remain sharp-edged. Earthquakes can shatter solid rock into thousands of broken pieces within seconds. Volcanic eruptions can also produce large amounts of broken rock fragments.
Over time, these fragments accumulate in valleys, slopes, and basins.
New layers of sediment gradually bury the broken rock fragments. The weight of overlying sediments compresses the deposits beneath them.
Minerals carried by groundwater fill the gaps between the fragments.
These minerals act as natural cement, binding the fragments together. After millions of years, the deposit becomes a solid sedimentary rock known as breccia. The sharp edges inside breccia reveal that the fragments travel.
Geologists use breccia to identify ancient earthquakes, landslides, and volcanic events.
Some breccia formations preserve evidence of Earth's most dramatic moments. From shattered fragments to solid stone, breccia records the pull forces that shape our planet.
Enjoyed this journey through Earth's history? Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing geology stories.